Good morning, my dear students and my dear parents. I am your maths teacher. My name is teacher Amruta. In the last 2 weeks, you have learned about the geometrical figures. In the geometrical figures, the first point was the types of angles. There are 3 types of angles. One is right angle, second one is acute angle, and third one is obtuse angle. Okay? These are 3 types of the angles. And you have learned about in the last week about the parts of circle, sides and corners. Okay. Now tell me student, which are the parts of circle? Okay, now I am going to tell you. One is chord, second one is diameter, third one is the quarter part, fourth one is the center, and fifth one is radius. These are the parts of circle which you have learned in the last week. And triangle is having 3 sides and 3 cones. Square is having 4 sides and 4 cones. And also rectangle is having 4 sides and 4 cones. So today you will learn about number work. This is your second chapter. Okay, so let's start our lesson. See student, which number you are looking there? 35. So before to start my teaching work, I am going to explain you place value of the numbers. Okay, the 35 number is there. In the number 35, see student, listen carefully. In the number of 35, we have 3 in the tens place. Are you looking there, column of tens? Which number is there? 3. 3 in the tens place. Now see student, what's the meaning of tens place? See, listen carefully. When the 10 units are coming togetherly, we don't want to 11 and we don't want to 9. When the 10 units are coming togetherly, there is a 1 tenth. When the 20 units are coming togetherly, there is a 2 tenths. When the 30 units are coming togetherly, there is a 3 tenths. When the 40 units are coming togetherly, there is a 4 tenths. Okay? Now see, if we open 3 tens bundle, are you looking there? 3 bundles of tens? Yes. If we open 3 tens bundle, we get 30 units. Okay? As I told you, if we open 3 tens bundle, we get 30 units. So that is why the place value of 3 in the number 35 is 30. And as 5 is in the units place, its place value is 5. Okay. Now see student, are you looking this colorful picture? Well, this is very nice now. Okay. See student, last one column. 1. How many ones are there? Ones means also units. How many units or ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones are there. And how many tens are there? 1, 2. 2 tens are there. Okay. Are you looking any number in a hundreds column? No. So, 0. So, which number is there? 20 and 7 means 27. Now, see student, this picture. See, blue color column. How many ones are there? Means units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones are there. So, that's meaning is 8 stands for 8 ones or 8. See, green one column. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are there. It means 4 stands for 4 tens. Otherwise, 4, 0, 40. Okay. Now see student, are you looking there 100? Now what's the meaning of 100? When we should call 100? When the 100 units or 100 ones are coming togetherly, so it is 100. When 200 units are coming togetherly, there is a 200. When the 300 units are coming togetherly, there is a 300. Are you looking there square? So there are in the one big square, there are small 100 squares are there. Okay, so its meaning 2 stands for 200s or 200 in figure. Okay student, now I am going to tell you about 4-digit number. I am explaining you this chapter with the help of blackboard. Now see student, which topic today we are going to learn? Lesson 2.0 number work, and today you will see 4-digit number. In this lesson you will learn how should you write 4-digit number and how should you write in a figure 4-digit number. So let's start to our learning. Student, one chart I have drawn here. This chart I have drawn here from your textbook. So listen carefully. First column is there of symbol, second one is number, and third one is readers. How should you read this number? So I have written here. So symbol. This symbol is showing thousands place. TH means thousands place. Okay. What you are looking here? Only one symbol of thousand place. Are you looking here any symbol of hundreds place? No. Are you looking here any symbol of tens place? No. Are you looking here symbol of units place? No. So there are no units place, its meaning 0. There is no tens place, its meaning 0. There is a no hundreds place, its meaning 0. But there is thousands place, yes. How many symbols are there of thousands place? Only one. So it is 1000. There is a no units place, so we have written here 0. There is a no tens place, so we have written here 0. There is a no hundreds place, so we have written here 0. But there is thousands place and there is only one symbol, so we have written here 1. So now how should you read this? 1000. 1000. The spelling of thousand is THOUSAND. 1000. Okay. Let's see another example. Okay student, see here. This one first example and this one second. Okay. In this second number example, okay. In this second number example, how many thousands place are there you are looking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any symbol of hundreds place? No. Is there any symbol of units place? No. Is there any symbol of tens place? No. No units place symbol, no tens place symbol, no hundreds place symbol. There is only thousands place symbols are there. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5000. How will you read it? 5000. Understood student? See, first one is 1000 and second one is 5000. Now see another, this third one example. Okay. Now see. This is units. T for tens and TH for thousands. But is there you are looking 100, H, 100? No. How many units are there? 2. So we have to write here 2. How many tens are here? Only 1. Only one tens is here. T for 10. This is 10 student. And is there hundreds place? No. So we have to write here 0 because there is a no hundred symbol. And is there thousand symbol? Yes. How many symbols of thousands are here? Only 1. 2 units, 1 tens, 0 100 because there is a no symbol of 100 and there is a symbol of thousand, so we have written here 1. So how should you read this? 1012. How should you read this? 1012. Okay. See another example, student. Okay. How many units are there, students? Are you looking there units? Yes. Are you looking here tens? Yes. Are you looking here hundreds? Yes. Are you looking here thousands? Yes. Okay. Now we'll count. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ones. Means 7 units. How many tens are here? Only one. Only one tens symbol is there. So we'll write only 1. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2. And how many thousands are there? How many thousand is there? Only 1. 7 units. 1 symbol of tens, I have written 1. 2 symbol of hundreds, I have written here 2. And 1 symbol of tens, I have written here 1. Count only how many symbols are there and write here numbers. Understood? Then 1, 2, 1, 7. Okay. Now how will you read this? See, student. 1217. See. 1217. Now see this last one. Okay. What is this? This is unit. Only one ones are there na. This one and this one. So 2 units. Is there any tens place? No. Write here 0. Is there any hundred symbol? No. Write here 0. Is there thousand symbol? Yes, there is a thousand symbol. But how many? Only 1. Then write here 1. Okay. Which number is there? 1002. See here. 1002. Understood, student? Now again I am going to explain you. Listen this carefully. There is only one symbol of thousand. So we have written here 1. And there is no units place. I have written here 0. There is no tens place. I have written here 0. There is no hundreds place. I have written here 0. But there is a 1000 symbol is there. So I have written here 1. Okay. So see this 5000. This is 2 units place. 1 symbol of tens place. 0 symbol of hundred place. And 1 symbol of thousands place. Understood, students? I hope you understood it betterly, and if you didn't understand, please see this video, repeat. So, it will go easy to understand. Okay, students? Thank you.